Wait, where is my hairspray? Hello guys, welcome to my video. Today I want to share with you a very easy way to achieve the classic French twist. Have you ever seen the flight attendants yet? Flight attendants usually make this one approximately 3 minutes when they are going to work. I think these hairstyles are so timeless and beautiful. It is perfect for any occasion like a prom, graduation, and a wedding party. Before making our French twist, I want to show you the tools that we'll use it. At the first, you will need a comb like this, and then black hairband optional, and then hairpin or poppy pinning. And of course, we usually use a hairspray to tidy up our buns, but because I lost my hairspray and I don't use my hairspray today, I will give you some tips to replace my hairspray. Ta-da! What is that? Are you curious? So, let's get started.
To make a ponytail hair. For slippery hair, you can make ponytail with a black hairband, so it is not easily detached when twisted. For flat hair like me, you can be twisted directly without using hairband. Second, twist the hair up. While continuing to twist and trim it, by hand pulling the hair upward until it reaches the desired height and shape. If your hair is long, hide hair tip and then pull the ends of the hair. Push and hide them into the bun so they are not visible from the outside.
At the third, take a poppy pinning. Straighten the bun with poppy pinning. If you didn't already know that French twist involves a lot of poppy pinning, the longer your hair, the more pin that will you need. I using 2 poppy pinning. It just really holds everything in place. And the fourth, trim the front hair. You can cover the front hair with the rest of hair using a comb carefully. If you want to use a bang, you can lay the front hair in right side or in the left side. Okay, like this. And last but not least, I know that you are still watching my videos, you are still waiting my tips, and usually we use hairspray to tidy up our plants, but because I lost my hairspray, I want to use something to replace my hairspray. And this is a tea bag. Yeah, flight attendants sometimes use tea bag to tidy up her pan. Take out tea bag in a little hot water, in a paper cup. If the water has changed to brown color, you can press the tea bag into your hair like this. Believe me guys, this one will stay neat naturally and last a long time for more than 14 hours. Yeah, like this. Hi guys! I think my part is all ready now and I have changed my clothes because I'm going to go my friend's wedding party. I'd like to say thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe this channel. And now it's your turn to make your beautiful French twist. Please comment below to review our tutorial. See you!